Effect Photonics leverages photonic integration to deliver unlimited data transmission capacity and internet bandwidth to everybody, everywhere, and through every available device. We deliver highly integrated tunable transceivers based on our dense wavelength division multiplexing DWDM optical system-on-chip technology. Effect Photonics' key enabling technology is fully monolithic integration of all photonic components within a single chip, and being able to produce these systems in volume with a high yield at low cost. To make this possible, our optical transceivers are provided with the following features. All active and passive optical functions of a tunable transceiver are combined into a single chip. Our unique packaging technology scales up volume with a high yield at low cost. Smaller in size, lower in power consumption. Industry standard form factors. Effect Photonics' new narrow-wave technology is a new feature for remote digital diagnostics and monitoring. With this capability, Effect Photonics is addressing the need for low-cost tunable DWDM optical transceivers, driven by the soaring demand for higher bandwidth, longer distances, low power consumption and cost. Born in the Netherlands, growing globally, chip and engineering research and development is based at our head office in Eindhoven. Manufacturing expertise is provided by our subsidiary in Brixham, UK. Using technology developed in-house, we are able to design, engineer, prototype and manufacture our own products, which we deliver to our sales partners worldwide. At Effect Photonics, we leverage photonic integration to deliver unlimited data transmission capability and internet bandwidth to everybody, everywhere, and through every available device. The only thing more amazing than our system-on-chip technology is what the world can do with it. Would you like to know more? Find further information at effectphotonics.com or contact us at sales@effectphotonics.com.